What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase home equity line of credit. So using Chase home equity line of credit is a pretty simple process, and it can be completed online or with the mobile app on your phone. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Chase account, and you can do that on the Chase website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on home equity. Now just select the type of home equity line of credit that you're interested in. You can of course browse the available options, and once you found the one you're interested in, just go ahead and select that. And you want to get pre-approved for a home equity line of credit by simply providing your financial information. So just go ahead and put that in, and then apply for that by submitting a loan application. Of course, you want to make sure that you review and sign the loan documents before you submit that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chase home equity line of credit. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.